In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error failed to join or common connection errors that stop Outlook from opening or syncing properly. This is a very common issue on Windows, and the good news is that most of the time it can be fixed with a few simple steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step, even if you're not very technical. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software fixes and tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, before changing any settings, always check your internet connection. Outlook relies on a stable internet connection to connect to mail servers. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and working properly. You can quickly test this by opening a browser and loading a few websites. If the internet is slow or disconnected, restart your router and modem, then try again. Once your connection looks good, the next step is to restart Outlook. Close Outlook completely. Make sure it's not running in the background, and then open it again. Sometimes the failed to join error happens because Outlook gets stuck during startup, and a simple restart can resolve it. If that doesn't work, restart your computer. This clears temporary system issues that can interfere with Outlook. After restarting, open Outlook again and check if the error is gone. If you're still seeing the failed to join or connection error, the next thing to verify is your account credentials. Make sure your email address and password are correct, especially if you recently changed your password or enabled additional security like two-factor authentication. An incorrect or outdated password can easily cause Outlook connection failures. Now, if none of those basic steps fix the problem, the most reliable solution is to repair your Microsoft Office installation. This fixes corrupted files that often cause Outlook errors. To do this, open the Control panel on your computer. From there, click on Programs, then select Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365. Click on it once, then select Change at the top. You'll now see repair options. First, choose Quick Repair. This option is faster and fixes common issues without needing an internet connection. Click Repair and let the process finish. Once it's done, restart your computer and try opening Outlook again. If the error still appears, repeat the same steps, but this time choose Online Repair. Online repair takes longer and requires an internet connection, but it's more thorough and replaces damaged files completely. Let the repair process finish, even if it takes some time, and then restart your PC when prompted. In most cases, after completing the repair and restarting your computer, the Outlook failed to join error is completely resolved. Outlook should open normally and connect without any issues. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the Outlook error failed to join. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Outlook and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.